How do you get help and unstuck when you're building your application and you seem to face a roadblock and you're thinking about quitting what you're building, or you want to pause what you're doing just because you can't make progress? Now that's something that happens all the time to people who have a visionary idea. They want to build their own product, but they just can't find the help online in a YouTube video or in free communities that they need to make sure to get their dreams out there. And this is why, exactly for that reason, I have created NoCodeProCode.com to help you, make progress, get all those troubles solved, and get your product out there. That's my guarantee to you. So let me show you all the ways on how you can benefit from that. So if you are already a member of NoCode ProCode, you can simply click on member login. If not, you can just join for only $129 a month. It's a complete steal. It's a very great price. It's very affordable. But if you click on member login here, you can log in, you get access to the dashboard, right? I will have to schedule the office hours for the next week because I'm recording this video on the weekend, but we have them daily, Monday to Friday. We have them Monday at 7 a.m. We have them Tuesday at 3 p.m. We have them Wednesday at 9 p.m. We have them Thursday at 3 p.m. and Friday at 9 p.m. Right? That is PST time zone. So it's very convenient for people in Europe, very convenient for people in the United States, right? Wherever you are, we got great times for you. And also now for Australia, 2 times a week. So we got that in here. You can join those office hours. Let's click on an expert office hour, right? And we also have beginner office hours. But you can just click on there, attend the meeting every day, and it's a Zoom room with a few people in them and me, and you get personalized help to make sure that you make progress. And then also you can ask questions in our forum here. If you go on Ask for Help, you'll see all the questions people are asking, and then you'll get responses to that immediately. You also get access to be able to DM me if you have something that you don't want to share in the community, that you want to stay between us, that you want to be private, that you don't want other people to see in office hours. You can share me a Loom, right? We also have this public video exchange, but you can also share a Loom with me privately through the community. We have a DMing system directly built in where you can reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. So if you're looking for someone to be right next to you, on your side, to help you make progress, to help you get your project out there, to help you figure out what your next step is, and you want some sort of accountability as well, or you just like the ability to be able to reach someone who can help you if, excuse my language, shit hits the fan, or if you're preparing for that, you want to take a look at this community. It is probably the best investment into your future, into you learning a very valuable skill that has ever been out there. So I would love to see you in the community. Submit a video. Let's get the application going so we know that you are a very nice person, and we only let nice people in there. But make a video so we know how nice you are, and then we'll let everybody who's nice inside of here. So thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to have you in here. And yeah, let's make great progress. And, I can't wait for that. Take care and see you soon. Bye.